guys, what's up? Today we have another video and we are going to be making pancakes. So here is the tools, the utensils and the ingredients we are going to be needing. We are going to be making this by scratch. So yeah. So the things we need is 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, a whisk, and a bowl. We are also going to be needing a pan, but we are going to be doing that later. So let's start. So the first thing we need to do is I actually have the ingredients here. So in a large bowl, mix our 1 cup of flour. Okay, let's just put that there. Okay, put that in there. Oh no. Flour, sugar, baking powder, sugar, okay, baking powder, baking powder. Make sure it's not baking soda though, because they do have a difference. And salt. So all our dry ingredients. Okay. And then mix until it's all smooth. So like this. Mix until it's all combined. And then it should feel like it is like the flour should be all smooth, but there will be little particles because of the sugar. So it's like if you know how flour feels like, it's just like normal flour, but like with little sharp bumps. But it's just the sugar. So okay. So next thing we are going to be needing is we're going to make like a hole in this in the dry ingredients, the flour. So like, just like this. I'm using my hands, but I wash my hands. Make sure you wash your hands. Okay, like this, and then put in our milk, our 1 cup of milk. Okay, our milk, our oil, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Okay. My sister said scared. And my sister is going to be cracking the egg. Okay, so I'm going to be holding the camera. Crack the egg. Wait. Okay. So my sister is going to be cracking egg in here. Use 2 hands. Get your hand. Oh, what's that? Good job. Okay, so
I made a big mess.
Okay, my sister is going to be washing her hands right now, and in the meantime, I am going to mix this all up. Okay, my sister is going to hold the camera. Yeah, I'm gonna let you mix when they're mostly combined.
And smooth like that stuff?
Yeah. So I actually made these pancakes yesterday also. So pancakes 2 days in a row.
And then it was so good.
So my sister said it was so good, so that's why we're making another batch today.
I wanted many. Because yesterday it was so small because our cousin was like, she lived next door. And then like she's our neighbor like that. She brought some for her mom, and her mom was just like pregnant. Like she just gave birth.
Yeah, like 3-4 days ago.
Yeah.
So yeah. So guys, okay, my sister's going to mix it now. Here you go, mix it.
Smells like Sharpie. And And then
Okay,
it has
that's
to be
enough
this
mixing.
green. Right, Ati, if it's mixed too much, will not like really be nice.
Yeah, and make sure that when you mix it, you don't over mix it. Oh. You don't over mix it because once you over mix it, your pancakes will be so dry and they won't be moist anymore. So
And they won't taste good. That kind of. They won't actually like that.
okay, so make sure you don't eat raw batter because there's egg, and or like egg comes from a chicken, obviously, and they have this thing called salmonella, and if you have it, good luck.
Why? What will happen?
So something really bad will happen to you. So
Will you die? Right? This is
I don't know. But yeah, same with other like animals. Like if you touch lizards and then you hold the lizards and then you
Don't wash your hands and eat.
don't wash your hands and eat, then you'll have salmonella also. So my sister's going to be holding the camera now, and I am going to get ready with
Wait, look
the
at this.
pan. Okay. Okay, enough. That's going to be overmixed.
Yeah, and we don't want.
Hold it.
Yeah.
I told you don't eat raw batter. Good luck to you. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is filling up our oil, like the place our oil
Can I be one?
was placed a while ago. So, oh my gosh. And we're going to be refilling it with oil.
Can I do it?
And there's no certain amount
Can I do it?
because you know,
And then there's a
because this is for
there's a nerd.
Yana. This is
And
that's our cousin, and we're making pancakes
And
again.
then there is a nerd.
Don't touch
There is a nerd.
Stop it! Stop
Okay.
it! Okay, so now I place our thing full of oil, and I am going to be getting a brush. That's nothing.
Don't do that.
Yeah. So now I have a brush. It's so big. It's
I
fine.
know, right?
Okay, so,
So
now I am
cool.
going to be getting a pan. Wait. Just stay there, please. Wait.
And then we got a nerd.
Just stay
We
there.
got a nerd. We got a nerd. We got a nerd.
Okay. So right now my sister is terribly
Diana, put the camera on your butt. I put it in the back. Here comes a nerd. Here comes
Stop
a
it! So
nerd.
guys, now I am turning on my stove because we are going to be cooking the pancakes.
Look at this.
That is actually milk tea that my brother's making. We made milk tea in another video, but sorry.
Yeah, we don't want to make a video now, like for the milk tea, because it will be useless because we already made one.
Yeah.
With that cousin over there, she was already in it. So, yeah.
Turn that. Oh, okay.
Oh my god.
Sorry, the whole time
Look at the
I was
fire.
turning the. Oh my gosh, that's so hot.
And that's a family.
Yana! So in this thing that we are going to be doing.
Hi, I'm Vienna.
So in this thing that we are going to be doing now is we are going to
This
be
kid, this Kenna.
making
This Vienna.
cakes, and you should ask a parent or guardian for help for this procedure
Army.
because it's really hot. Okay, so come here.
Army.
Yeah. So come on. Yana, hold the camera properly, please. So now I am going to be needing a spatula and a ladle, a medium-sized ladle.
Stop it!
Or I'm not going to in the video
Look at
again.
that. Look at that. Look at this. Yeah, my brother. But promise me you won't do it, okay? I'll tell you.
Okay, Yana.
My brother did this chip was finished, okay? And then, so he placed it in our microwave. Here is the microwave. And then, I don't know how many seconds or minutes. And then, it turned small. Cool, right? That's
Okay, come on. We're
So
gonna be making a pancake now.
my sister's so bossy.
What?
Bye.
Weirdo. Okay, so now I'm going to get my brush, and then
And
I
the
am going to get my brush, and I'm going to get the
Some
oil,
oil, and then
and
put it in the
brush
pan.
the oil in the pan,
And then it will like
and
say
make
this
sure
sound.
it is in low heat. Oh,
And look at that. Look.
mine is in high heat. So
But you know what? Wait, I have to talk. If I drop the phone there, my dad's gonna get really angry.
okay, so now I am going to get a ladle full of pancake batter. So this
Make mine big.
seriously.
Yeah.
So
Then I'll just
and
get the bigger.
this pancake batter is like really thick.
And Auntie, can you make me a heart?
Wow, you're so OA. Fine, I'll try. Okay, so
Yay!
Dana, can you come here now? So now you have to wait for like 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
And then again, put it back in. So now we're gonna wait for like 30 seconds, and then this pancake should be done.
Okay, what do you mean you're gonna do your mommy? Did Ama Lily go home now? Yeah. Sad? What did you even do?
So after 30
Mom said you watched
seconds,
TV.
I don't know if it's actually 30 seconds, but after 30 seconds, you
Eat
would
and get you.
flip your pancake.
And it looks weird.
It looks weird, yeah. It does.
First, watch the show on TV. That's called T-E-N-T-T-N-S Teen Titans. That's called T-E-N-T-I-T-N-S Teen Titans. Let's
Guys,
look at my
if
sister.
you know and like Teen Titans, then comment down below. Comment.
And like!
Weird. Guess what, guys? My sister's weird, so you just have to stay with her.
Don't listen to her. Because
Guys, comment also down below if you think my sister is weird and annoying.
and like and also subscribe.
Okay, so now I'm going to get
I beg you, please subscribe and like. And also, if you know my cousin Sean, he's from PCGS and also us. And yeah, soon we're gonna have a
look at
sleepover.
So guys, now
My bossy sister.
weirdo. So now we have a plate and we are going to put our pancake there.
Which is not mine because it's not hurt.
Yeah, the
Ooh. And you know what? I just saw ballet and I was so sleepy. And ballet, I keep thinking. Okay.
Actually, in the
So
morning.
now I am going to
Actually, in
put
the morning
more
I
oil.
came here.
Really?
Yeah,
Really?
in the morning I came here. I
But
went
I
to
was
your
in-
room, but you were in your mom's room. And I
Really?
heard Yaya say you're in ballet.
Yeah.
I'm
Okay, so
I'm
guys,
in ballet.
Yana! So guys, now
Look at my Yaya, sexy Yaya.
weird.
Sexy Yaya.
So now we're gonna put this.
My sexy Yaya's video. My sister is my sexy Yaya.
Okay.
My
Guys,
sexy Yaya.
guys, stop it.
My sexy.
So wait for 30 seconds again on high heat now.
What's this?
Stop it.
First, make me hurt.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, wait.
Make mine the top because like green, mine is green heart. Okay.
You're so weird. So this is the second pancake.
I actually made her smile, you know why? I said, you look like me. And then she smiled. And then she did like this as she looked at you.
Okay, so
She's so cute.
shut up.
You never even seen her.
I saw her already. Shaba, I saw her
But only one time. I like to see her triple times.
3 times.
Because I always go there.
Okay, so
Right there?
another brush. Okay.
You know my lunch was. I
this already.
And also, are we in the same school?
Oh.
and then, Kenna,
Oh my
his boyfriend is named
What? I don't have one. Weirdo. That's Kate's classmate. Shut up.
Your boyfriend's name.
Fernando. And my sexy yaya.
My sexy yaya.
My sexy yaya.
Okay, so this pancake is done.
Mark my heart.
Oh yeah, sorry, I'm not making that. Yeah, I'm sorry.
You have like
You're the bossy one, not me.
you have 100 boyfriends. Fernando, Gavin until 100.
Lana, you're so weird.
First, make me a heart and I'll stop teasing you.
I think I'm gonna make a heart pancake.
You could tease me as much as you want, basta. It's not true.
Fernando. I heard this is true. That you and Tyler always stay beside each other.
Yeah, remember sleeping position? Me, my brother, and my sister.
And that Kyler loves you.
What the hell?
I don't even know that.
What do you expect? We're brothers and sisters. We're siblings.
My brother. Oh yeah. Our brother loves you. Our brother loves my sister. On my hair.
Guys, comment down below if you think my sister's very weird. And you want her, and you still want her to be in YouTube or no? Ah.
And let's see if I'm psycho. Okay, put in her butt.
Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it.
Make me a heart.
Must I see?
It looks kind of weird.
Auntie, make me a heart.
Where's my heart?
Make a happy face.
Make my heart.
Make a flower.
You already have your own heart, you know, so I don't need to make one.
I want 2 hearts.
You have your own heart, so I don't need to make any.
Yeah. Look at the first.
Guys, can you please?
Please, Auntie.
What?
Make me
I don't know how. I'm sorry. I'm not like the professional.
Make
pizza.
me a flower. I know, you just make a circle and then make a line. It's okay if it's like that.
Make me a circle.
Fine. What if I make you a gigantic one?
Okay, deal.
Bigger than this pan.
Bigger than the house. Okay, if it is so small,
Oh
if it's small, I will taekwondo. Make me a
no! Guys,
circle.
right now I'm not your servant, but you know. Okay, yay! You're gone. Finally. Stop it, K. 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 K, you want this? You want this piece?
Now, give me the largest. Give me. Okay?
Guys, you want this? Oh wow, it's down on the floor.
Then
Very convenient.
maybe we don't want it.
Right,
Okay,
can
but-
get it? Yeah. But I like it.
Okay, so I think this is my last pancake, but it's a gigantic one, so yeah. Or okay, so put that in the sink, and oh, this is actually actually very little left, so I don't care. Okay. Yep, it's a big pancake actually. Yana, it's really big. Look at this. Look.
That's so small.
Okay, look at this. Look at the difference.
Okay, here.
Oh, I thought that was your brother.
So we have
Okay,
this.
when you're there, I'll use it and then we'll keep it, okay?
Oh, okay, that's good. So let's wait for this to cook. Hmm? Yeah, he knows I'm making a video, so it's okay. Oh, that's fine. So guys, this pancake is already done. Okay, so all of the pancakes are done, and yeah, so I don't know how many pancakes this is. Oh, this actually made 6 pancakes, so no, actually 7 since it's really big. So this made 7 pancakes, so if you guys want to double the recipe, then you could make 14. So here are the pancakes after all of the cooking. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like for this video. And thank you for watching. Bye.